Here come the Hornets. Their win was opening night against Chicago. Their loss was a big one to Minnesota. Attack Terry Rozier only played 17 minutes, 30 of the 272 he played. Oh, taken by Zeller.
You know, LeBron left his feet that time to pass. They took the lane away. He was so high in the air, he had time to change his mind and take a shot. And Rozier answers with a triple.
3 turnovers, but nobody has converted any of them into points yet until right there. James hangs in the air, comes up short.
Wasn't a bad challenge on that shot.
Rozier, 1-2, little Euro.
Players just don't understand that call at all. Don't make mistakes.
A little space, AD taps it, taken by the Hornets. They're breaking 3-on-2. Lob underneath and Bacon. 11. Quickly at the other end. Oh, will they just get it past the 5 Lakers?
Very good to see.
Shooting 50% tonight. Rozier lets it go. That one finds Rozier. Hot. Answering back is Rozier. LeBron 12 in the 4th.